As a Queen Bee who has gone through many rounds of all this digitalization, they know what is the pitfalls. With their guidance, with this initiative, we can actually avoid the roadblocks and then choose the easier path to move on because they already have walked the journey.
We've always been passionate about helping companies in the furniture industry grow to become global players, and upskilling these companies is an integral part of the process. We were actually approached by SkillsFuture Singapore to partner with them to be the Queen Bee for the furniture industry, mainly because of our digitalization capabilities and also our willingness to train our staff.
I'm currently the third generation management of Danovel sofa. We are in the business of custom-made sofas locally in Singapore. We don't want to do business as how we did in the previous years that my grandparents or my mom does. We are looking into the future like digitalization or how to make use of manpower or job redesign to actually improve our processes. One thing that we benefited most is there's a Queen Bee skills manager that actually guides us through the whole process of business transformation. I mean, there's so many things to be done, but Nelly actually helped us to look into the priority areas that we can focus on. And through our Queen Bee, what they've done before to implement it in our company as well.
The 4 key initiatives that we have launched under the Queen Bee program, first of all, is the masterclass with Commune on digitalisation, branding and internationalization talent development, outreach programs, peer learning, as well as competency-based training plans. We also embarked on a design thinking business transformation program, and the feedback from the attendees have been very positive. We're also looking at more outreach programs and having more masterclass series. And the next one that we have planned is a fireside chat with the SMEs as well as the CEOs on the area of sustainability. It's a form of peer-to-peer learning, and we believe that that will help SME owners learn what to improve on with regards to the areas in their business from fellow friends in the industry.
The one thing that you don't want is that all this digitalization actually scares away your employee. The SkillsFuture manager is guiding us to look into manpower allocation to better bring up the efficiency of each individual. Through one of the seminars and talks we learned from the Queen Bee, which is Commune, Joshua did mention that we need to plan ahead. Can IT system A and IT system B meet together?
So in terms of the Singapore furniture industry, we're actually a quite close-knit family. We see ourselves as friends rather than competitors.
It's a sharing economy. We are coming together to learn from each other. Our hearts are generous. We are actually looking at how to upgrade the whole of Singapore together. So I believe this is a program that will help many of us to advance ahead.